across to Nimesh now to find out the standout brokerage report of the day. Nimesh.
Hi Sonia. So today there are two reports which stood out for me. One is both from Morgan Stanley. First is on IndiGo, where they've sharply raised the target price, and second is on Tech Mahindra, where they've put out a double upgrade to Overweight. Now, starting with IndiGo first, Morgan Stanley has an overweight stance, but they've further raised the target price now to 46.15 versus 41.45 earlier. They see a very large total addressable market as well as sustainable moat for the company going forward. As far as the total addressable market is concerned, Airbus expects the domestic passenger growth to be fivefold by 2042. Overall, domestic plus international passenger growth will be from 221 million passengers in 24 all the way to 370 million by 2030, which means a 9% CAGR over the next 7-8 years. In terms of moat, IndiGo's CASK is much lower than global peers. The efficiency is at scale. On-time performance was the best in CY23, and even the network is becoming a kind of a moat for InterGlobe going forward. So these are the few reasons why there is a big upgrade in target price on InterGlobe. The second was on Tech Mahindra. Morgan Stanley has actually double upgraded the stock to overweight from underweight and sharply raised the target price to 1490. They believe that after the last quarter numbers, capital allocation, growth outlook as well as margins sets the floor on the stock at around 1150. In fact, from here on, the key triggers to watch would be margin improvement quarter on quarter, revenue improvement YOY, as well as diversification from the telecom businesses will be the key catalyst. So a big double upgrade on Tech Mahindra and sharply raising the target price on InterGlobe. So both stood out for me from Morgan Stanley notes.
All right. Thanks very much for that. So keep an eye out on those names as we begin this morning.